In this video, you'll learn how to construct a parallel line to a given line using our construction techniques, which are a compass and a straight edge, such as a ruler. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to have a point that is on our line and a point that's not on our line. So with my pencil, I'm just going to create a point on the line, and I'm going to name that one Q. And I'm going to put a point that's not on my line, and I'm going to call that one P. So I want to draw the line PQ, and that's going to be a transversal. So in angle pairs, we always have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So before I create my second parallel line, I'll go on and put my transversal in there. So using your straight edge, connect those 2 points. So connect P and Q using your straight edge. With computer magic, I'm able to create straight lines without my straight edge, but this is how you would do it. Just line it up so that both points are along the straight edge and draw the line PQ. So now using my compass, I'm going to bring my compass back, and with my compass I want to draw an arc with the point of the compass at the vertex of my original angle. So here my vertex is going to be Q, and I just want to draw an arc so that I have where it crosses the original line and the transversal. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this angle from intersection Q, and I'm going to take that same compass setting and put my point on P. Once I do that, I want to draw the same arc. From the other point. So now that I have done the original arc and a new arc, I'm really copying this angle at Q to be the same angle at P. The reason this works is the corresponding angle postulate, or the corresponding angle converse. So that says that if the corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines will be parallel. So I'm going to copy this angle Q up here to P so that I will have parallel lines using that converse. So now that I have this arc drawn on the original angle, I can label it A and B. So we'll have A and B. What I want to do is I want to use my compass, and I want to make it so that I can figure out the distance between A and B. And to do that, I put one point of my compass on A, and then I'm just going to stretch my compass out so that the length is from point A to point B, which is where this arc crosses the original line. Once I have that compass setting that tells me this length here, or this arc measure, I'm going to put the compass, I'm going to move the point of the compass to where it crosses the transversal up here so that I can create this at point P. So I have it measured, and I just want to create another arc here so that my measurement arc crosses my first arc that I made. So now that I have this arc intersection, this tells me that this is the length, the same length as this angle, so that I can have an equal angle. So I'm going to line up my straight edge so that I can create this straight line from P to the intersection of those two arcs. I'm just going to lengthen it out a little bit. And so using my straight edge, I will draw this line. And if we look at it using that corresponding angle converse, I created it so that my corresponding angles are congruent, and since my corresponding angles are congruent, these two lines are parallel.